Timone Yachts followers. Welcome back to the 5 stars yachting brokerage world. What I would like to show you today is a very nice 92 feet and express fast cruiser from AB. This is exactly an AB 92. What suits you best really on board this vessel is the ratio between the guest accommodation and the crew quarter, because I think that this vessel has been designed very smart. Have a look with me. Right now, I am in the galley, which is smartly developing around the VIP cabin up front, and this is, to me, the most intelligent part of the vessel, because from here the crew can have a way out directly to the salon, but around that, you will see on later, as an escape up on the port side sidewalk, which makes the crew be very efficient in serving and very discreet in all that.